Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a complete hands-on review of Runable AI, an autonomous general agent designed to consolidate your entire tech stack into a single unified workspace. Instead of toggling between separate subscriptions like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gamma, and Midjourney, Runable allows you to generate full websites, slide decks, video ads, research reports, and custom web applications entirely through simple chat prompts. Its absolute standout feature is Plan Mode, which forces the agent to research, structure, and request your explicit approval on multi-step workflows before executing code or spending tokens. Furthermore, with persistent memory, custom skill templates, and over 3,000 app integrations, including Slack and Google Workspace, you can trigger complex automated workflows right from your phone. On the flip side, heavy tasks like generative video can drain your credits exceptionally fast, and some mobile users report occasional payment processing friction inside the App Store. Ultimately, if you are looking to replace 5 different monthly subscriptions with one powerful agentic workspace that plans, codes, and executes end-to-end tasks, Runable AI is an incredible, highly versatile platform well worth exploring. Subscribe the channel for more videos.